Talk about breathtaking. This time around, we're unboxing the Vivo V20 Pro. Good afternoon, you beautiful people who want to see a beautiful phone. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style, where we look at beautiful phones for beautiful people like you. In this video, we're unboxing the Vivo V20 Pro in Sunset Melody, which is one of this year's favorite phone colors for me for sure. I also unboxed a Vivo V20 in the same color yesterday, so I sort of know what to expect, but it doesn't make me less excited because honestly, it's a great color. Dude, I love it. Why am I so excited over this phone? Basically, I first saw this phone when I first saw this commercial, and I was like, I need that phone in my hands. And now it's here. In this video, we'll just be doing a quick unboxing because phones like this demand to be seen, demand to be unveiled, demand to be shared to the world. Let go. The Vivo V20 Pro in all its glory. So it says here that this is 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Vivo. Let's open this up, but first on the back it says 44 megapixel eye autofocus, an ultra sleek matte glass design, 64 megapixel night camera, and a Snapdragon 765G chip, which means this phone is 5G ready. And I have the Sunset Melody color. If you can't figure out what color that is, stay tuned because I promise you, it's amazing. Man, I love my hollow-on packaging. All the sparkly things, man. Right? Let us get to it. Ta-da! V20 Pro. Ooh, we have, well, cardboard. The charging cord is here. That is a USB-C. Some instructions, the SIM tool, specs, and a nice jelly case. Before we get to the phone, of course, we look at what else is in the box. Power brick. This is the Vivo Flash Charge 2.0 brick. Earphones, and that is with an audio port and an audio dongle. Finally, the moment of truth, the thing you've been waiting for, the whole reason you clicked on this video. We're looking at the phone. Let's look at what else is written on here first. On here it says, do not block the proximity sensor and the ambient light sensor, so it is over there. Ooh, I see two selfie cameras, fingerprint sensor down here, and finally, oh my gosh! Wow. Wow. Okay. It says here that I should be reading this before I insert the card. And according to this is a dual SIM phone. Right, let's open it up because this type of beauty, it deserves to be seen. It deserves an audience. It demands attention. I swear these phones are only getting better and better when it comes to design. Look at how pretty. It looks like a unicorn. It matches my nails. So it does say Vivo 5G down here. Look at this color shift. Like, I swear this phone is even better than a mood ring. I love it. That is amazing. Oh my god. And that feels good too. That feels very solid. You can see my manicure, yes. But you know what you don't see? My fingerprints. It is nice and flat. It's very sleek. Very comfortable to hold, and also it looks good, so that basically ticks all boxes. Camera bump is so small. That's a pretty thin phone too, actually. On the right side, that is a volume rocker, an unlock button. At the bottom, speakers, USB-C, SIM tray. And then on the back, you see that? Yeah, That's beauty you're seeing right there. Turning it on, and now it's time for a montage. Figuratively and literally, the Vivo V20 Pro is looking good. I've always advocated for prettier tech because I feel like if it's something that helps you enjoy your tech more, there's no shame in it, why not? Like I said, there are people like me who view aesthetics as a priority when looking for a device. And I'm just so happy that this is finally getting recognized by phone brands. In phones though, as with people, I like well-rounded qualities. Aside from the unmistakable killer looks, this phone has an AMOLED display, a 5G enabled chip, and also that sleek design. Basically, this is the thinnest 5G phone right now. It seems like it's not just looks this thing offers. Now, I'm not gonna talk about specs in this video, but I've been using this phone for a few days, so I have a video coming up where I talk about what my experience is with this device and its performance. Stay tuned. Anyway, that's it for today. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your questions are about the Vivo V20 Pro. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at @isadoes_. Until next time!